Imagine missing out on a gold mine hidden right in plain sight. Today, we're uncovering the secret world of affiliate programs that could turn your online browsing into a cash flow machine. Stay tuned to unlock the mystery. Picture walking into a room full of treasure chests, but only some of them contain real gold. That's exactly what navigating the world of affiliate programs is like. With the right knowledge, you can open the chests full of gold, but without it, you might end up with just shiny pennies. First up, we're talking commission rates. Think of this as your share of the treasure. Higher commission rates often mean more gold for you, but don't get blindsided by the numbers alone. It's a balance. High rates with reputable products are the real jackpot. Next, consider the cookie duration. This is how long the treasure map lasts. Longer cookie durations give you more time to claim your gold, ensuring that your referrals are credited to you, even if they decide to dig up the treasure weeks after your recommendation. Don't forget about the relevance of the product or service. There's no point in holding a map to a chest miles away that you can't reach or don't care about. Promoting products that align with your audience's interest makes your journey worthwhile, turning it into an exciting adventure rather than a wild goose chase. Affiliate support is your compass in this treasure hunt. Programs that offer excellent support provide you with the right tools and guidance to find the treasure efficiently. They ensure you're never lost at sea, navigating through the world of affiliate marketing. Lastly, the reputation of the affiliate program is the legend of the treasure map. A program with a solid reputation stands as a lighthouse guiding you through foggy waters. It's about trusting that when you find the treasure, it's as valuable as promised. But how do you sift through the myths and legends to find true treasure? Start by reading reviews from other adventurers, checking program rankings for the most bountiful treasures, and networking with fellow pirates and explorers. Remember, the most successful treasure hunters are those who not only have the map, but know how to read it. Now, I've got to ask, have you ever come across an affiliate program that seemed like a hidden treasure at first glance, only to realize it was a mirage? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Navigating the world of affiliate marketing can sometimes feel like you're trying to crack an ancient code. But fear not, because today we're going to simplify the enigma of applying to affiliate programs, and not just applying, but also boosting your odds of being welcomed aboard. Imagine finding the perfect affiliate program, one that aligns with your passion, your niche, and your audience. It's like finding a treasure map where X marks the spot of untold riches. However, the key to unlocking this treasure chest lies in the application process. First off, it's paramount to understand the prerequisites set by these programs. Think of it as the dress code for an exclusive party. You wouldn't show up in flip-flops and shorts, right? Similarly, affiliate programs often look for specific qualifications in their affiliates, like a certain number of followers or a niche audience. Knowing these requirements upfront helps you tailor your application to meet their expectations. Now, how do you make your marketing platform, be it a blog, a YouTube channel, or a social media account, irresistible to these affiliate programs? It starts with content, compelling, engaging content that speaks to your audience. Your platform should not only showcase your knowledge and passion for the niche, but also demonstrate how you engage with your audience. High-quality, original content is your ticket in. But what about your relationship with program managers? Well, effective communication is your secret weapon. When reaching out, be professional, concise, and personable. Share your strategy on how you plan to promote their products or services, and don't be afraid to highlight your past successes. This shows program managers that you're serious and have a plan to add value. Finally, optimizing your platforms is crucial. This means ensuring your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. For social media, it's about having a professional look, a clear bio, and consistent, engaging content. These changes can make a world of difference in not just getting accepted into affiliate programs, but succeeding in them. In this vast sea of affiliate marketing, being prepared is half the battle. By understanding what affiliate programs are looking for and presenting your platform in the best light, you're setting sail towards success. Now, I'm curious, what challenges have you faced in applying for affiliate programs? Drop your stories below and let's navigate these waters together.